Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to Journey into Crypto, a learn-along series. I'm Andrew, and I'm thrilled to embark on this educational adventure with all of you. Whether you're a seasoned investor or completely new to the world of cryptocurrencies, this series is designed to help you navigate the exciting and ever-evolving realm of digital currencies. Over the course of this series, we will dive deep into the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, explore blockchain technology, discuss investment strategies, and examine the broader impact of digital currencies on various industries. Our aim is to empower you with the knowledge and insights needed to confidently participate in the world of crypto. Each episode will be an interactive learning experience where we'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand explanations. We'll demystify key terms like Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, wallets, decentralized finance, DeFi, and so much more. You'll gain a solid foundation that will enable you to make informed decisions and engage in discussions within the crypto community. But this series isn't just about lectures and theory. We're going to make it a learn-along journey. We'll have practical exercises, quizzes, and discussions to reinforce your understanding of each topic. Together, we'll explore real-life case studies, examine successful crypto projects, and even conduct simulated trades to sharpen our skills. In addition to our engaging episodes, we've also created a vibrant online community where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, and share insights. Learning is more enjoyable when we collaborate and support each other. So, get ready to join a group of passionate crypto enthusiasts on this educational adventure. At the end of this series, we'll celebrate your journey by awarding certificates of completion to those who actively participate and demonstrate their newfound knowledge. This recognition will serve as a testament to your commitment to expanding your horizons in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. So, are you ready to embark on this educational voyage? If you're excited to explore the fascinating universe of cryptocurrencies and uncover its potential for financial empowerment, then join us for Journey into Crypto, a learn-along series. Stay tuned for our first episode, where we'll lay the foundation of understanding cryptocurrencies. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and get ready for an incredible journey into the world of crypto.